How to buy an item in Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today we are going to be learning how you can easily purchase an item on Depop quick and easy. First of all, launch open any web browser of your choice and type in depop.com in the URL box and search. Also make sure you're logged into your Depop account, and once you're in, go to the top of the screen and search through the categories, or you can also use the search bar at the top and type in an item you want to purchase. After you do that, from the search results, you'll be able to find your item that you've searched for, look for the item you want to purchase from the list, and once you find one, click on it. After you find the purchasable item, go to the top of the screen right next to the items display and click on Buy Now. Now you'll be able to see all of the total you'll need to pay on the right hand corner. You'll need to go ahead and add your new shipping address, type in your first and last name, type in your address in the text box, the name of your city, your state or county, and zip or postal code. Now write down your email address in the next field and finally click Save. On the next page, you'll be asked to enter your payment type. Select you'd like to add a debit or credit card and enter your card number, expiry date, security code, and then your zip or postal code, and finally click on Pay Now. Now after you are done, you will be able to make a purchase on Depop. Your seller will ship and provide tracking info, if available, on your account soon. Buying on Depop is quick and secure when you follow these steps. Take your time, check details carefully, and shop smart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.